Talk me through the can a minute. What did you guys decide, or what are some of the thinking that came out?
I don't know. We're thinking about the particles.
Yeah.
Like,
Where are you guys starting?
faster and faster.
When it burns brightly.
When it burns brightly. Okay.
It's eating the air.
I think the propane is being burned up. It's burning up by the flame. And then, no, I think in the beginning it's still being burned, but then as the flame gets smaller, then there's less propane to burn.
And less air because the propane is in the air.
Propane in the can.
It goes out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And when it's no more air, no more propane, boom.
Yeah. Boom.
How are you going to represent that? Probably a picture would be helpful.
Boom.
The boom.
The boom.
Or I'm even just thinking you guys talked about propane being lighter than air, and you get the top of the can. I'm wondering if there was a picture when it's burning brightly that would help with that.
Fire! With propane in it. That's
a beautiful picture.
That's not fire.
Did you all agree that that was why the propane was burning at the top?
Yeah.
Yes.
The air was being oh wait, maybe the air went down. Right. Maybe the air went down and went into the can. And that's why it went up.
Yeah, because it's denser.
Explain that more. I'm not understanding.
Like it went into the holes in the potatoes and so it went out. So then the air was sinking and went into the can and it went up. Yeah, it went up.
The particles and the oxygen went in there.
Yeah, it reacted differently than most people would think.
Than most people. That was beautiful.
There's a hole right here.
Yeah, you could draw like the propane. Yeah, it was blue and orange. You could do blue and orange.
Yeah. First was orange, then was blue.
I've heard a lot from the girls. Does the gentleman have anything to say?
Yeah, gentlemen, do you have anything to say?
Well, just about this.
That
What about
one?
it? Oh, the
What was your
combustion.
thinking around that piece right there?
Well, I just thought this it's different than what I had on here, but maybe that since the hole was so small and there was so much propane in the can itself, it couldn't get out all at once.
Okay.
So when the flame went down, it met all the stuff in it, and it went.
So you think that's why the flame got smaller? Just because it was going into the can, or not? No?
That's why it exploded, because there was so much in there.
Pressure.
It wasn't getting out there.
Okay.
Okay, so where are we going to
Just, okay, I want you guys to think about that though for a minute. Does that mesh with, does your thinking about the explosion mesh with your thinking about the initial burning?
Think about the pressure inside, so I think that pressure inside.
Do you have more or less propane at the end and there versus the beginning? What was your thought?
You have more.
Yes.
It
into the air, yeah.
What do you need more of? How do you get the more propane though? From the flame? No?
From a gas.
What do you think? Because you were the one that you said that it's going to go in. There's so much gas in there.
I get it.
Is there going to be more at the end or less, or what do you think?
Propane because it's turning into a gas and it takes up more space.
Is every voice heard?
You heard.
What do you think?
Explain it.
Well, I think that it might just. I think there's more in the can at the end.
At the end? Okay. Would you ladies agree there's more propane in the can at the end?
Yeah.
Okay, where did the propane come from?
From the liquid propane.
It was never liquid though. It was put in the can as a gas.
Oh,
It's not
it was?
burned up.
Oh, so then I didn't know that. I thought